active. You need to make your screen active. When you're speaking, you have a window. Your window is what your camera is able to capture. And it is imperative that you make this window as active as you possibly can. Now, simply that can be done by using hand gestures. You can gesture a lot. You can even move around. If you've got a flip chart, that can be quite engaging as well, as long as you've got a high quality camera to pick up your words. It also comes down to your PowerPoint as well. Now, I know a lot of people are big on PowerPoint, but what you want to do is make sure you're hopping in and out of the PowerPoint. Let me demonstrate this. I've been doing it throughout already. So at one point, I might hop into the PowerPoint. I show you my slide, my nice, beautiful slide. Yay. Then what I want to do is actually hop out of this PowerPoint when explaining what that slide means. If I stay on that slide, it's going to be incredibly boring for you because it's static. There's no movement at all. Likewise, if I stay still on the camera like I'm doing right now, this webinar's got a lot more boring, hasn't it? But by me being active, it's making it more engaging for you. So consider this. It goes for your live presentations and your videos. The more active you are, the more engaging you will be.